Hello guys, welcome to Defense IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about international organizations and their headquarters. I have shown them in the tabular form. Left side is the international organization and right side says the headquarters. That is where they are located, where is the headquarters located. So the first slide is about the organizations in USA. So let us see in them. Let us see the list. The United Nations Organization, the United Nations Children's Emergency Fund (UNICEF), then United Nations Population Fund (UNFPA), then United Nations Women, then United Nations Security Council (UNSC). All these have their headquarters in New York, USA. Then you have the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and the World Bank Group (WBG) having its headquarters in Washington DC, United States. Then we'll see about the organizations which have its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. The organizations are World Health Organization (WHO), International Labour Organization, International Committee of the Red Cross, World Trade Organization, World Meteorological Organization (WMO), World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO), International Organization for Standardization, UNAIDS, then Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights (OHCHR), then United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR). All these have its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Now next organization, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Then the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. Both of these organizations are having their headquarters in Paris, which is in France. Then United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO. The International Atomic Energy Agency (AIEA), then Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC). All these three are having their headquarters in Vienna, Austria. Then there are three more organizations which is in London, United Kingdom, which are the International Maritime Organization (IMO), Commonwealth of Nations, then the Amnesty International. These three are having their headquarters in London, United Kingdom. Then Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) having its headquarters in Rome, Italy. Then North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO), which is having its headquarters in Brussels, Belgium. Then the Universal Postal Union, Bern, Switzerland. Association of Southeast Asian Nations, the ASEAN, which has its headquarters in Jakarta, Indonesia. Then Asia Pacific Economic Corporation (APEC), which is in Queenstown, Singapore. Then Transparency International having its headquarters in Berlin, Germany. Then International Renewable Energy Agency with headquarters in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Then South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation having its headquarters in Kathmandu, Nepal. Then the Organization of Islamic Cooperation with headquarters in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. International Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation with its headquarters in Ebne in Mauritius. Then Worldwide Fund for Nature, headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland. Then you have the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry with its headquarters in North Carolina, which is in USA. Then you have Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons with its headquarters in The Hague, the Netherlands. Then International Olympic Committee, headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland. Then the World Economic Forum with its headquarters in Colony Geneva, Switzerland. Then you have the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with its headquarters in Gland, Switzerland. So in this slide you have two organizations having its headquarters in Gland, Switzerland, which is Worldwide Fund for Nature, and International Union for Conservation of Nature. Both are related to nature itself. You can remember it like that. Then another one in Switzerland is World Economic Forum and the International Olympic Committee with Lausanne. It's for the International Olympic Committee, and World Economic Forum is the Colony Geneva, Switzerland. Okay. Then you have the International Council on Monuments and Sites, ICOMOS, which is having its headquarters in Paris, France. Then United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, which is in Nairobi, Kenya. Then United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, which is in Geneva, Switzerland. Then United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, which is in Vienna, Austria. Then United Nations Inter-Regional Crime and Justice Research Institute, which is in Turin, Italy. Then United Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, UNDRR, which is in Geneva, Switzerland. Then International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, which is in Montreal, Canada. Then you have the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, which is in New York, USA. Then International Fund for Agricultural Development with headquarters in Rome, Italy. Then International Telecommunication Union, ITU, in Geneva, Switzerland. Then United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, with its headquarters in Madrid, Spain. Then United Nations University, UNU, Tokyo, Japan. Then International Court of Justice, ICJ, which is having its headquarters in The Hague, Netherlands. Then United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, that is in Geneva, Switzerland. Then the United Nations Habitat, which is in Nairobi, Kenya. Then the World Food Program, WFP, having its headquarters in Rome, Italy. And UNOHRLLS, having the headquarters in New York, USA. Okay. So thank you guys. These are the various like international organization and headquarters. I hope this will be a quick revision for you, and soon I'll try to give you a mind map about the international organizations and their headquarters so that you can remember it easily. And thank you for watching my video, guys. And if you like the video, please do share it with your friends, and please do hit the subscribe button for Defense IAS Academy. Thank you, guys.